CreAtIve Comm 22 is CebAI's annual conference. It's partly a showcase for the research-based products that we've developed to augment people's creativity in different types of businesses. And it's also a vehicle for improving knowledge exchange and impact. How do we make an impact from the research that we've been undertaking here and more generally across the university?
It was really great to be on a panel exploring knowledge exchange, current practice, what universities can do to make it more effective, being able to build that capacity and that capability within an institution and really demonstrate the art of the possible.
I will be outlining and demonstrating a new product, Sports Sparks, which is a product designed to help sports coaches be more creative in their coaching to overcome problems. And then I'll be having a conversation with England Rugby's head of performance team development, Nigel Redman, about creativity in sports. What's its role, what are the opportunities, and what are the barriers that impede more creative thinking in sports and sports coaching.
I really enjoyed the talk and the conversation between Neil and the sports coach. I thought he was so insightful and he shared how AI can help in such deep ways, which I thought were really inspiring. Seeing the tools in action were so impressive.
I would absolutely recommend to attend this event because practitioner and industry companies can actually have a sense of the frontier of research and now incorporate the knowledge that they create here in their daily activities.
You can use different kinds of AI in different ways, and that can help us be more creative as individuals and teams. Creativity can be part of everyday work, and a little app in your pocket that helps you be creative in that way can make a difference to business and indeed the quality of our lives.